Hey guys, here's a tutorial for our basket. Now I am using antique wax and I'm just gonna paint that on with a little makeup brush. And I'm doing the basket and then the top piece and the two pieces with the circles in it, and then also the bases. So the other parts I'm not painting are going to be because you're not going to see it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and dry that and we're going to distress it. I am using walnut distress ink and just trying to give the basket a little bit more depth. I kind of tried to do it in like the lines. So that's how I did mine. Now I am gluing on those two pieces. I would recommend you glue on that top part first, the one I'm doing right there. Do that one first and then do the arms for the basket, okay? That other piece says back, you'll put that on the back. And then I went ahead and glued mine into the base so that way it didn't wobble around on me. And do the same thing for the small one. And ta-da! And then you can get all the inserts that you want. Okay, now I am going to take my chalk marker I got on my website at my Chalk Couture website, and I'm going to just add a little bit more in here. And there's no right or wrong way to do this, so have at it.